Hey guys, we will continue with the second problem in intermediate algorithm scripting, difference of two arrays. Okay, so what we need to do is compare two arrays and return a new array with any items only found in one of the two given arrays, but not both. So in other words, we need to return the symmetric difference of the two arrays. Okay, we can return it with its elements in any order. Okay, let's see. Here is the function. We get two arrays and we need to check if an element is in both. If it is, then we don't want that. We want to filter that out. So an easy solution would be to use the filter function with a callback inside to check if an element is in the both arrays. Okay, so that's what I am thinking of. Let's have this new array. Okay, first what I want to do is to make this easier. Let's concatenate the two arrays, R1 and R2, so we have everything in one array, and then we can filter out the elements we don't want. Okay, so I'm going to do here array1 dot concat R2. Okay, let's console log this just to see what we have so far. Okay. And I'm going to put this inside of console log as well. Now, this new array has all the elements that we want to filter. I don't need this anymore. Let's do it right here. I'm going to use filter. Now, inside filter, we should put a callback function. So we are iterating through all the elements in this new array. So the argument will be element. Let's call it element, and it is a fat arrow function. So now what we want to do with this element, we want to check if this one is both in array 1 and array 2. Okay, let's do this first. So to check if an element is in an array, we're going to use the array method includes. So to check if element is in array 1, I'm going to do array 1 includes, and I'm going to put lm here. Okay, and we are going to use and r2 dot includes lm. So what we are getting in this case is 1 2 3 4 5. It has just removed the 4. So we want to return just 4. Right now we are doing the opposite. We are getting the elements which are in both arrays. So we are getting 1 2 3 4 5 because 1 2 3 4 5 is in both arrays, are in both arrays. Okay, so we can do something here. We can use the not operator. So we want the opposite of this. So if an element, so in this case what the filtering is doing is that it's checking if this element is in array 1 and also in array 2, and it is returning true. But for these cases we want to filter them out, so we want it to return false. To make it return false, let's put all of this logic inside the parentheses, and now we put a not before. So if this one returns, if this part I have highlighted here returns true, so if an element is in both arrays, I want to return false. So I put this one here for it to return false, to negate it. Okay? So now we are filtering out, it is returning just 4. I think this is what we want. Yep. I think this one should do it. Let's run the tests. Okay, so that was it for this challenge. Okay guys, I will keep it short because I want to have every challenge in a different video. So thank you for watching. please try to solve them by yourself first, and then you can check out the video as well, so you keep on learning. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.